righteous heart grows sweet and stronger. Every bruise turn wisdom in our we chest. Every test reveal who love we best. Ashes of Zion wind, carry me home again. Ashes of Zion wind, teach me to rise again. Ashes of Zion wind, will never bow, never bend. See the poor man laugh through the crack of dawn with a one bag hope and a stubborn song. Super thin but the spirit full. Light in the eye, that's the truest jewel. No gold chain can buy pure peace. No sharp tongue can steal release. So walk good brother, walk good sis. Babylon trap can't hold down this. Ashes of Zion wind, carry me home again. Ashes of Zion wind, teach me to rise again. Ashes of Zion wind, will never bow, never bend. When the night get long and the road look bare, hear the old drum pulse through the air. If your heart feel weak and your spirit thin, breathe deep, my friend, and step back in. One love heal the crack in the bone. One truth make a hard road known. So me sing and me mean what me send. Light come back through the starry end. Ashes of Zion wind, carry me home again. Ashes of Zion wind, teach me to rise again. Ashes of Zion wind, will never bow, never bend. Concrete jungle crumble down. Hear the ancestors' ancient song. Babylon system I go fall. No true light no more at all. Them say them rule the day, but darkness soon will play. Babylon's last lantern flicker low. Soon, soon, soon it will not glow. The wicked heart will surely know. Jah light alone makes spirit grow. Oh, 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 false prophets, they might chat too much. Their silver tongue a wicked touch, trying to blind the children's eyes. But truth it rises to the skies. Them build them walls so high, but freedom soon will fly. fire not die. Well, if a trouble try mash we down, still we hold firm like roots in a ground. Make them talk, make them point finger. A righteous heart grows sweet and stronger. Every bruise turn wisdom in our chest. Every test reveal who love we best. Ashes of Zion wind, carry me home again. Ashes of Zion.
but freedom soon will fly.